In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a brake light switch on a Ford Escape. It is located underneath the left side of the dashboard. Our brake light switch is mounted just above our brake pedal, underneath the left side of the dashboard. It's installed into a bracket, but it also has a locking mechanism. If you take your brake light switch, turn it clockwise, it'll unlatch from its holder. Pull it down, and then you can unplug your connector. Take your new switch and connector. Make sure you hear the click. Take your new switch, install it into its bracket, line up the tabs, twist counterclockwise to lock it in. After you installed your brake light switch, you always want to check to see if your brake lights work. Good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.